Cardano, the cryptocurrency that never sleeps, it seems, because there is a constant stream of updates and news coming about Cardano all of the time. I've been covering some of the major updates that we have seen recently happening. And the first one is Cardano has launched an ambassador program. And they chose me as one of the ambassadors. That's super exciting. Yay me. But no, seriously, that's very exciting. I've been a major Cardano enthusiast for a long time, so I'm absolutely humbled that the Cardano Foundation has chosen me to be an ambassador for Cardano. Now, currently, it's just a position based on, I guess, bragging rights, if you will. At some point in the future, there is apparently going to be some kind of a monetary compensation potentially for that, but at the moment, I just could say, yay, I'm a Cardano ambassador, so yay me. But anyway, on a more serious note, there will be a major Cardano event coming up here in the near future. So if you do want to be more involved in the Cardano community, then check out the IOHK Summit. This will be happening in April in Miami. So if you are a Cardano enthusiast, get out there. You can meet Charles Hoskinson and a lot of the key developers behind Cardano. And of course, get to meet other enthusiasts just like yourself. At the end of December, a paper called Proof of Stake Sidechains came out. Now, the paper provides several foundational technical advancements that include a new firewall security property which safeguards each blockchain from its sidechains, a staking feature to mitigate sidechain attacks, and a pegging technique via a novel cryptographic primitive introduced called ad hoc threshold multi-signatures, or ATMs. Good acronym. It's nice to see, of course, that Cardano is non-stop developing new tech. I feel like the idea of having these peer-reviewed papers, a lot of people say it's too slow and all this, but good tech takes time, guys. I said it a million times. I'm going to say it one more time. Good tech takes time. And we see what Cardano is trying to do, delivering good tech. Tech that works, tech that stands up to a scientific process. Advancements like this, they're small advancements, but important advancements. Next up is that ADA is not among the 26 cryptocurrencies which have recently been identified by US researchers as being vulnerable to fake stake attacks. Now, a fake stake attack would essentially allow a network attacker with a very small amount of stake to crash any of the network nodes running the corresponding software. But Cardano's Ouroboros protocol uses no Bitcoin code and thus is not affected by the POS v3 problem. How about those peer-reviewed formal verifications now for you, eh? Again, it's important to be taking the time with these things. We've seen a lot of code just thrown together in an ad hoc fashion by a lot of cryptocurrencies, and the results have been catastrophic in some cases. In other cases, just perhaps bugs come up that are inconvenient, where somebody loses a lot of their money. Inconvenient for one person, maybe not inconvenient for the entire network. Anyway, the benefit of having a new protocol like Cardano and a code base that's built up from scratch is very evident. And there's not a lot of cryptocurrencies that actually go this extra length to build their own cryptocurrencies. So many people just go out and jack Bitcoin's code and modify it around a little bit. And there are situations in which that works very well. But having your own unique blockchain with amazing features built into it, that takes the next level and a lot of money to develop. So you can see why IOHK and everyone behind it has been so busy, and a lot of money has been put into developing Cardano, and it's not done yet. Worth pointing out. Charles Hoskinson recently confirmed that the Shelley update should be expected before the end of the first quarter of 2019. Cardano will be both completely autonomous and fully decentralized. It will have a total of 1,000 staking pools, making it incredibly decentralized. We're going to have multi-signature transactions, an enhanced wallet backend, light client mode, networking, paper wallets, consensus and incentive fees, open Ouroboros delegation, quantum resistance, a voting center, and human-friendly addresses, just to put a little bit of sprinkle on top there. Emergo, the commercial and venture arm of the Cardano project, has become the anchor investor in a company called Y2X. This is the leading digital merchant bank for the decentralized economy. Leading digital merchant bank. That's pretty cool. The implications of that are very exciting indeed. We saw, for example, how excited everyone got about Litecoin taking a stake in that German bank. To see Emergo making this very close relationship with a bank could be a very important step for Cardano moving forward. Cardano will essentially become the protocol of choice for Y2X and its portfolio firms. The aim here is to enhance the usage of the technology, especially in the field of regulated STOs. And we all know this has been the topic du jour for quite some time, the security token market. It's going to unleash a massive amount of wealth and unleash a whole world of new capital into the crypto markets. It's nice to see that Cardano is taking it very seriously and focusing in on how to access that market. Cardano also has been getting a lot of publicity recently. They've been on Japanese TV, which of course is a prime crypto market overall, but has really been Cardano's home in so many ways as well, considering that's where they held their primary sale, and it has been one of their most important communities. IOHK, the development firm that builds Cardano, is moving to Wyoming. Now that's a story we did cover a little bit previously. We talked specifically in a video about Wyoming and their upcoming, or new crypto regulations, I should say. To see a big company like IOHK moving office to Wyoming, pretty cool when it comes down to it. Maybe Charles just wanted to have a shorter commute to work instead of flying from Colorado to Hong Kong all the time. I could understand that. I wouldn't want to fly all that often either. But they are moving to Wyoming, and that's pretty cool because IOHK is becoming an American company. Charles Hoskinson also has joined a predictive analytics firm called Endor. This is the first automated predictions engine in the field of business decision making by means of a blockchain-based artificial intelligence-powered analytical platform. Whew! They onboarded Hoskinson as a senior advisor who will provide guidance and counsel in respect to the cryptocurrency industry, decentralization, and blockchain strategy. Additionally, Hoskinson will purportedly lead a new strategic project, the essence of which is yet to be revealed. Will it have implications for Cardano? My guess is yeah, probably. But we actually have to wait for that announcement to know exactly what they're doing. But I could definitely see some kind of artificial intelligence applications either being integrated into Cardano or being built on top of Cardano. Either way, it's very interesting to see Charles making that close connection and teasing us with some kind of a future project. But we don't have a clear indication of what that is at this time. Finally, as well, we have a light wallet for Cardano. Yes, I've been waiting for this forever. It is the Yoroi wallet. It has been developed by Emergo. Essentially, there is no more need to sync up the entire blockchain using the dataless wallet. Now you can have a nice light wallet. You can have it on your phone. I've got one downloaded on my Android. I also have one on my desktop. So it's great. Very intuitive. It's exactly as you would want from a wallet. You can send and receive ADA super easily, and that is totally awesome. So if you've been looking for an easier way to send and receive your ADA, this could be the thing you've been looking for. They've also come out and teased us that Yoroi will offer staking. Awesome. So not only is it super easy and intuitive, you don't have to load up the whole blockchain, but now you're actually going to be able to stake your ADA using this wallet. Awesome. I love to see developments like this happen. And there's a lot of exciting things going on over at Cardano, but we're still waiting for Shelley. Shelley, where are you? Come on, Shelley. It's time. The Cardano roadmap is also changing, so their new roadmap update was to say that the Cardano roadmap is essentially changing. They will be launching an exciting new roadmap, which showcases the Cardano 2020 vision after the IOHK summit, which will be taking place, as mentioned, in April, specifically April 17th and 18th in Florida. So again, if you're in the region, go ahead and check it out. Great place to connect with people from the community. Charles Hoskinson will be outlining his vision for IOHK and for Cardano moving forward in his keynote speech. And the roadmap, when it does get relaunched, will be basically having a renewed focus on the milestone of getting Shelley out. So for the time being, they have removed the timer on the roadmap, but they will be publishing intermittent updates moving forward. I think the real deal, though, is going to be seeing what gets announced in April. Anyway, just a quick update for you on what has been going on over at Cardano. You will let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys, as always, are super awesome, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up on it. You can also subscribe to the channel if you want. There's a notification bell down below that you can click on if you want to know when I put out a new video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.